Have you said it? Are you still recording? Well, say that we're packing.
Shall I start again?
No. We are packing for our holiday. Rob's afraid to speak into the camera. Speak, Robert. Expects me to.
Brilliant, go. 23 hours worth of film ahead of us.
Okay, these are our suitcases. This is mine, and it's pink, and this is Rob's, and it's black. And where's the ribbons? Oh yeah. This is black with a pink ribbon, and mine's pink with a black ribbon. Very clever. Here we've got cameras and stuff. Lots of things.
It's
Disposable.
got 4 to 5 disposable cameras.
Just 28 days. And where are we going, Rob?
Florida.
Where?
Florida.
For how long?
4 weeks.
Shall I stop it now?
No, could it?
No, but I look really rough today.
No, you could say where we're going.
We are going to Orlando, Florida.
For how long?
28 days.
I think in a minute we should show some of the major preparation stuff.
Are you filming? I was like this. I saw a tripod and I was like, how long? I suppose that's natural. It's reasonably natural. We're now looking at Google Earth on Rob's computer. And he's zooming in on the Earth to show you that we're going to Florida, and that's on Sunday, and we're going for 28 days, and we're very, very nervous, which is why we've done lots of preparation. And we're zooming in into Orlando, and in a minute we're going to be focusing on our hotel, which is just off International Drive. Our hotel is really close to SeaWorld, which is really, really good, and we're really excited. And we'll be able to show in a minute. We've actually tried to figure out how we're going to get to SeaWorld from our hotel by foot.
That's our hotel.
Which is called the Winfield Inn. So we're going to leave, turn right, turn left, go through this car park for another hotel. We're hoping that we'll be allowed to enter that. There shouldn't be any restriction. Go through this car park, over a little bridge.
And it should be the entrance somewhere around
yeah, we can't really tell where the entrance should be. But it would be cool to see how different it is in real life to how it is on here.
Magic Kingdom. Castle there.
Oh, it doesn't really look like it from that angle, does it?
It's a very good symbol of where we're going.
You recording?
Yeah.
Don't record makes my face is horrible, please.
Okay. What's all this then?
Okay, all this stuff is our holiday stuff that we've done lots of organisation, but I'm going to start with this one. And what this is we went through, these are all the different Disney parks, so Magic Kingdom, Epcot, still Epcot, MGM, and Animal Kingdom, and I think, oh yeah, and there's the water parks, so it's Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon, and Downtown Disney. So what we did, I'm sure you can see lots of stars, we wrote down all the different rides and had a little star system, the ones we most wanted to go on. So 5 stars is the biggest, like the most we want to go on, and 1 is kind of we don't really care. And it's good because we're thinking we want to know when we get there what ones we want to rush to first to get to go on. We did the same for Universal. There's a lot more higher number stars on this one. We think we can want to go on everything.
Terminator 3D looks good. And the Jaws ride.
It all looks quite good. Island of Adventure. It's got your writing on it, can rub it. Just going this right. This is SeaWorld. Slightly different style.
Kraken's massive roller coaster, isn't it?
It's the biggest, I think, isn't it? In Orlando or something. Biggest and fastest. Okay, this here. Found this kind of by accident. And it's there's up International Drive, there's this thing called the I-Ride trolley, which is your main transportation. It's like a bus. And if you get a 2-week pass, you can just go on it unlimited times. And it just lists all the different attractions and stuff, and what bus stop to get off at. We did that first, but then we found this one, which actually has it in order of trolley stops and what's at each one, so it's a bit more organised. And there's a red one and a yellow line, so one goes south and one goes north.
This is to maximise the
Our time
to get most out of our 4 weeks. This is our timetable, which will probably change,
So much, definitely.
but it's a way of showing how we can fit it all in.
Well, the things in red are the things that we've booked, so we have to do them those days. So we're going to Gatorland on a Monday, and this Wednesday and Thursday here we're actually going to be going down to Florida Keys, so we're going to stay overnight, which is going to be really cool. That's when we're going to swim with dolphins, so it's really exciting. And this is the cool one, isn't it? Which we've only just booked. And it's our 3-year anniversary on this day, and we didn't know what to do, and we kind of thought if we had enough money we'd go to Discovery Cove, which is a real nice relaxation kind of lagoon.
It's a seriously organised holiday, but it's also our biggest holiday, so we've put a lot of effort into
like travellers checks, but they've now got it in the form of a card, which is apparently much more easier. So when you go into shops, you just sign for it like our old method of paying by debit card, and on this what you do is you charge up how much you want before you go, and we've charged up $1,000 on each, and they got $50 free.
There we go.
Yeah, most of them are really nice, but some are dodgy. Where's the 50?
Let's have a look at the 20s first.
It must be a nicer 20, because those ones are a bit... Yeah, this is a nicer 20. And then the airport information, our hotel, which has been filled in. And it says 28 nights, which is just unimaginable. This here, instead of sending you proper tickets, they send you vouchers, and then you take them to the place and exchange them. So we've got here Universal Orlando, so you hand that in and you get a Universal 2-week pass. This is our ticket into Gatorland, so you hand that in. It's our 2-day dolphin adventure at Florida Keys. I think I missed one.
So that's the Disney parks right next to it.
I don't know where the Winfield Inn is.
They've highlighted this area here. So we're on here, are we not?
Westwood Boulevard, yeah. Where's 51 then? That says Sheraton.
When's the next time we're going to be filming, you reckon?
Probably on the airplane, isn't it?
At the airport.
That's what I meant. At the airport. Or in the car.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm really scared.
But we should make a quite good holiday documentary.